Plants.
It's like imagine this in the dark. This might be singing at all. Heaven. Yeah. Do you want to just climb over the top? Right, we're in. We've had the worst way in possible. Look at this way in. Could have just gone down the main driveway. Go on, chat. You have nothing in your bag. Just careful, some of it's probably metal and rusty.
I don't really want to jump because I don't want to risk like...
It's breaking your leg. You know where we are now?
Yeah.
Someone wiped out my JJL. Oh no, there it is.
Wait, when did you put that?
Oh, I went quite recently.
Oh, you went when we went to this warehouse, didn't you?
Is there anything else? Is there anyone we know?
SideQuest.
What is it? Why are you saying that?
Dunno.
You're addicted to saying them. I say this every time, you just glaze them.
You know SideQuest. That's what SideQuest is. Oh no. Urbex with Archie.
Oh, that's quite cool actually. He's got some neat handwriting. Jesus.
No, I know, look at that.
Mate.
There's no way he did that with his hand. No finger. God, look how thick his fingers must be. Jesus.
Or, what's his name? Dean White. 2022. I mean 2020. Scare me, this place. This gives me the... Oh, it just don't give me a good vibe. Ooh. JJL, that's a cold one. Look how sick that's placed. That's placed lovely. And handwriting's good as well.
Oh, the vacant Explorer.
What should I put? 2025?
Yeah, put the date as well. Dean White. Where's Lewis Marion?
That's staying in.
No.
Oh. House of Cat. Oh, I don't know.
What? Right.
Let's do it. Is there not any more?
What the f? What is that?
Right, time to go. I've written my name up here as well last time, which is gone. Someone's wrote over my name, I think. My name was here last time. Come on then, let's go. What's that light? Doesn't it look like that's got light on it?
Where?
That thing behind it, look at that. Don't look like it's got. I know. I think I'm bugging. I'm bugging. No, not that. Don't look like there's like a lamp on that. The yellow thing, like shining down. Do you not see that? Oh, don't worry. I'm waffling.
I can't want to get caught. We need some adrenaline.
If we can't really run though, because look at our way out.
It's an old guy.
No, but look at our way out. So that's the barn house sort of thing. All of this. That's where we just been. Yeah, I've never even been in there. I don't think. Or maybe I'm lying. I might have been in there, but I just can't remember.
That car was on like over there. I remember taking a picture of it. It's like fantastic.
We going in here? Whoa! Look at all them doors. I think they're like metal. There's nothing good. There's loads of metal doors. Doors. That's really cool. Look how big the doors are.
The last time it was here, wasn't it?
Mm.
Be like shut outside.
This is where I did my thumbnail last time. Little cheeky excavator. I think that's about it for here. I think it's just a farmer's field. It's just, oh, that's been smashed. The front of that orange one, that wasn't there last time. Mate, that's been properly smashed. That's someone's actual property though.
Yeah.
Just gotta be careful. It's a bit annoying. Right, what do you want to do now? The house or the barn?
The barn.
That one.
Let's get the last one.
Alright.
Can't touch that one, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's where people actually see me. There's a like camper van in there. Ooh. There's camper vans over there as well.
You need to test out your torch. It's a creepy place actually.
I'm getting too old for this.
A year older than me. Right. Get that torch out. Wait, can I have the torch? It's actually quite a good torch.
Yeah.
It's nice and light as well.
It's not as good as the old one.
Do you not think?
Nah, the other one was brighter.
It's good for the video because it doesn't make that weird thing.
Oh yeah.
Kind of glad it broke, I'll be honest.
You never didn't you?
You want to go first in this one?
Wait, can you actually like go in there? Like, get the torch. Hello?
We always say hello just in case.
It's not like this.
I did this by myself before. I've gotten more scared of Urbex, I think.
Yeah, same.
Because I used to be able to do this solo.
Ooh.
No one did it.
That's not asbestos, is it?
No. Oh, wait. Point it out again. That might be asbestos, you know.
Look at the stuff in the air as well.
Do you want to leave? This is getting a bit... I don't know if it is or not. We could be completely wrong. It could just not be. But I don't like it. Because imagine it is.
Ooh. Freaky magazines.
Wait, what's the date?
1970.
Mate!
Jeez, what? 90. That's a year after my mum was born.
That's ridiculous.
Oh my god. No way this place has been abandoned since 1970.
I mean, I wouldn't be surprised. Nothing modern in it.
Oh,
Really?
that probably is asbestos then. That probably is asbestos. It is 1976.
That's what's it called? I really don't know. I really hope it isn't. Yeah, go on then. Whilst he's having a picture, let's just have a little look around. I found an L.
Oh, I've got a J.
We need one more J.
One more J. Come on. They're green. Yes. Yeah.
Oh wait, there's another green L.
Wait, here. I think that's a 1, but... it'll do.
7.
Yeah, it'll do.
Wait, I got an actual L.
Yeah.
Can we write explorers? That's the question.
What? Goodbye an alphabet, at least get an R, mate.
We need an R. 2 R's.
We need 2 R's.
And we can't even get one.
Yeah.
Alright, we finished it, but there's no S's. So there's only a 5. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, right, onto the time capsule bit. I've done this so many times. No, that's actually...
That's so annoying.
Were you scared at me or were you pretending?
I was scared of you.
Oh, I thought you were trying to jump scare
Hello?
me.
I swear I had something off in. Hello? Shout if you want us to leave.
Get in.
No.
Nah, you're lying. Mate, just get in there. If there's someone in it now, it's going to be awful because I'm not going to move. Give me the torch. It's not even funny.
Please stop staring, scare each other. Oh, this is where they had the gunshot. Why am I laughing?
I'm scared that someone's hiding in the cupboard.
Yeah, I know. Oh, I did not go down here.
No, you can go down that one.
Oh. How? What has this place been abandoned since 1966?
I'm guessing so. Is that maybe asbestos then?
Hopefully not. Nah, that's fiberglass is yellow.
What about the one underneath it?
I can't stop laughing.
There's not really too much to this.
Yeah, I know. It's pretty cool this place has been abandoned for 50 years though.
And no one really knows about it. Look how old that toothbrush is, man. Look at it. Look at that. Look at the fiberglass there.
This place looks so unstable. Pristine mirror. It's 1976.
That's pretty much it, I'll be honest.
I can't stop laughing. Oh. Please edit this today. Please. I need to see this video, man.
Look at all the screens.
Where? Yeah, I know. So that's why like Archie called it like the
Screen house, yeah.
That's the end of the video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.